So the online tool that I want to introduce is called SurveyMonkey. And with this one, what I think is cool is that I just learned about this in a previous class when we were doing an assignment on formative assessments. And so I'll show you what I created as a formative assessment a little bit later. But so right here, we're on the screen, it's your dashboard. It's a free website that you can create and log into. And what's cool about this is it creates surveys of any kind of your choice or quizzes. So if you go under here in the resources down to quizzes, you can create a quiz for anything that you want. So, and then it explains to you how it works, what it does, and then it also, which is cool, is it has its own automatic scoring. So you're able to get the stats right away, real-time stats. So that saves a lot of time um, and effort. And what I did was a first grade formative assessment quiz. And what I liked about this, the setup of this, is that for differentiation, it allowed me to put all different aspects. So here's the main question, and then I was able to add a video, which I read the questions aloud, and then the answer choices below, and I added the pictures. So depending on what type of student you have, whether it's auditory or visual, they're able to answer the questions. So I did that for the students, and I just thought it was cool because there's a lot of different ways that you can make your quizzes, and it's accessible for all the students. So back to the dashboard. So what I liked about this too is it already has pre-made templates that you can utilize, or you can just create your own. So depending on the topic or lesson that you're teaching. So great tool. You guys should check it out.